After a really long time, I'm up with a long form video on YouTube, and this video is going to be about 5 minutes makeup look for office. Firstly, and the foremost thing is skincare. I'm using this rose water from the brand Wish Care. I really love this one, and now I'm going to tap it into my skin completely. Now I'm using 10% niacinamide from the brand Simple. This hydrates my skin really well. I really like it, so I'm just going to tap it and push it into my skin so that it works nicely throughout the day. And now I'm going to use Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. People who have oily skin, I think this is the perfect moisturizer for the summers. They can use. Sorry, I have a little bad throat today. Whatever leftover I have goes on the back of my hand in each step. Now I'm using minimalist SPF 50 for sun protection, which is very important at daytime. And yeah, so again I'm going to apply it on my face, and then I'm going to little bit spread it all over my face. I'm not going to rub it a lot, like very harshly on my skin. I'm just going to create a layer so that it protects my skin throughout the day as long as it can, at least. And again, leftover goes on the back of my hand. Now I'm using this tint, which is an orange color from the brand Swiss Beauty, and I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones, and then you can see it's a lovely color. I really like this one. I use it on daily basis, and little bit I'm going to apply on my eyelid as well, so that my face looks a little symmetric. And you can see that there is a lot of shine on my face, which is perfect for winter season but not for summer. So I'm going to apply a little bit compact powder on my face. So I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. You can choose your shade from the range, and yes, I'm going to just dull out the shine a bit so that it makes me look summer ready. Otherwise, if there is a lot of shine on my face, it looks sweat instead of looking a glowing skin. Now I'm going to prep my lips as well. So I'm using this Caffeine coffee variant lip balm, and over that I'm going to apply that orange lip tint by Swiss Beauty again. And yes, this is my final look. बाल मैंने अभी सोचे नहीं थे, so अभी के लिए मैं ऐसे ही रख लूँ. But you will see my final look just in 1, 2 and 3. To complete the look, I'm wearing white heels, so white leg jeans, in black and white kurta in stripes, and a watch. And हम यूपी में से ग्रीन बैंगल्स पहनते हैं 1.25 साल तक शादी के, and earrings a bit. This is all for today's video, guys. Bye bye.